Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we will be going over how much does YouTube actually pay. But before we get started, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Alright, let's get started. External advertisement contractors will usually pay around on average 18 cents per every view to YouTube. YouTube will then give approximately 68% of that to the creator. So theoretically, an average YouTuber will be making around 12 cents per view, which roughly equates to $1,200 per every 10,000 views. This in theory is quite a lot for YouTubers to make, but in reality this is not the case, since so many people simply do not watch full advertisements or may even have extensions enabled which block ads. So practically, how much do YouTubers actually roughly earn? Well, considering these factors, YouTubers will actually only make around $30 to $50 for every 10,000 views, which is around only 4% of what they should theoretically make. So you may be asking yourselves, well then how do YouTubers make a lot of money? Well, many YouTubers do not use only the AdSense program to earn their money, they also use things like sponsorships and affiliate marketing to earn their money. So how do I get started earning money on YouTube, you may ask yourself? Well, as of 2023, the current minimum requirements to get monetized on YouTube are 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 public watch hours over the course of 365 days or 10 million YouTube Shorts views over the course of 3 months, as well as no active community guideline strikes. So you may be also wondering, how do I achieve these requirements quickly? Well, I have made another video detailing the best and easiest YouTube ideas for beginners, which will probably help you to achieve these requirements in no time. You can click above right now or check the description for the video. That's all for today. Again, be sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.